What's up, guys? Steve Wilson here. Gonna install some switches today from PowerPole up on the bow. The elites are using them, a lot of guys are using them now, so instead of the little key fob, it's a lot easier. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, first thing we need is we need to get our tools together. We're gonna have an eighth inch drill bit. We're gonna have just a standard drill driver, extra drill bit, and of course the switches. All right guys, first thing we need to do before we install them is we need to program them to the pump because they're wireless. So first thing we need to do is go to the pump back here on the bilge. You're gonna hold, let me see if I can zoom in, hold the program button down until it beeps. The light's on, so we're going to come over here. We're going to push and hold the button for 2 seconds, and it's already done. Boom. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to reach in, let it beep, and then we're going to do the down button for 2 seconds. Boom. All right, next thing I want to do is I want to position them right where I want them. I want to make sure they're good, you know, a good inch apart. That way you're not pushing both of them at the same time. I want to make sure they're, when you pull up the trolling motor, they're not going to be in the way. And I can even go back just a hair more. That way they're nice and neat. Sorry about the shadow and the planes flying over. I think that's pretty good right there. Put the trolling motor down and screw them down. Alright, we're going to take our 1/8 inch drill bit. We're going to pre-drill all the holes, or at least one. And this kills me to do this to a brand new boat, just so you know. Just snug it down. You don't want it too tight yet. Go to the next hole. Done. Easy. Clean up some extra fiberglass, make sure it's not on the carpet, and there it is, done. All right, there it is, guys. Installed the foot switches, all finished, they're hooked up. Let's try it. Done. That'll work for me. All right guys, thanks for checking out my video. There's more to come on how-tos on installing equipment or even fishing. If you have any questions or if you want to know anything that I know, I'll help you. I don't have a problem with it. Check out my website, stevewilsonfishing.com, and just remember one thing: stick 'em.